paid 40 euro. Okay, don't say that. Hello guys, it's Tessye here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, allthingstessyE. If today is your first time coming to my YouTube channel or seeing my face, you're welcome. And to my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming through. And to my day one subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming through. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Your presence here are always appreciated. Okay, so today's video for me is a huge Zara and Asos haul. Okay, and this is the first time I'm doing a Zara and Asos try on video. If you want to see what I got, keep on watching, and please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a like, and also leave a comment down below on the comment section. Tell me what's your favorite item I got, and you can as well share this video because you are permitted to share this video. Share with your friends, share with your neighbors. You are permitted to share this video. Okay, and I will leave my Instagram handle here. You can follow me on Instagram. All right guys, so let's get the video starting. First one I'm doing is the first unboxing here is the Asos. Okay, then we'll go to the trying on part. This is how it came. Let me drop it. I have something for green. Yeah, it seems I have something for khaki color of the pants. So we are getting into the collar period now, and I got this in M. Yes, got this in M because I want it to be free. You will see it when I'm trying it on. Okay, this one is a bag. It's a little purse pouch in the beige color. Yes, and I got an orange pants, and they have an amazing items. Okay, and I love to shop on Asos and Zara. Same here. I guess I got this in M as well. Yes, M. Okay, I love this color. Shoe box here, Asos. If you know me, you know I don't wear high heel. This one is perfect for me. So I've always wanted a clear shoe. Hope it fits. I normally wear 39, 38 though, so I hope it fits because it seems really small. Okay, try it on. Then always got me 18. Is the one with the shoulders. Yeah, two shoulders, and it's a sleeveless. Okay. Last item from Asos. Yeah, so you can tell if I'm obsessed with green or khaki green. Okay, see, I love these sandals. It's a little bit, yeah, a little bit higher than I normally go for, but hey, I can salvage it. Well, moving on to Zara. The Zara bodysuit, okay, good for layering. Okay, you can layer this up with anything, good for summer and whatever. It's always handy. These Zara bodysuits are always handy. Okay, they are good for layering. Okay, you can layer them up. Have this in the burgundy red. Okay, have it in purple and the nude. I have 3 of them. I bought 3 of them, 3 different colors. Okay, Zara. Then let's go to the other Zara. Now now this white bodysuit. Okay, when I saw it on the site, I fell in love with it. I hope it fits. In white, I paid €19.95, which is €20. Okay, and yes, I've always wanted this shirt. This one was on sale, so I paid €15. And this one here, so this one is the most expensive t-shirt I have right now. Okay, let me say €40. I paid €40 because I've always wanted this for a very long time now, so I say okay, I have to go for it. All right, and we are on to the last boss. So this one is a blazer. I have the black one and I got that from H&M, so I need a colored blazer. So this is how it is. The purple paid, let me say €30, €29.95, which is €30. I say let me go for the white of this shirt. See how long it is. Oversized shirt, white of the blue, and one more bodysuit, the white one. It was on sale, so I grabbed it. I always wanted something like this. I grabbed it as well. It's time to try them on. Okay, hope you're ready. Let's go. So first look here, the pants is from Asos, love the pants. The bodysuit is from Zara's, kind of disappointed in the bodysuit because it runs small. So I would advise, if you want to get it, size up, okay? But it's beautiful though. So for the second look, the shirt is from Zara, the jeans is from Zara as well, but the jeans is not new. That was what I was wearing when I started filming, so I decided to pair the two together. All right, and the purse is from Asos, so I paired the two to see how it looks, and it looks beautiful. And again, same jeans, but the shirt is from Zara, the jeans from Zara. So I said it before, the jeans is from Zara. You will see a lot of the jeans in this video, okay? And love the shirts. And whenever I'm buying stuff, I kind of have a lot of idea of how I want to style the shirt or the dress, whatever I'm buying. So these have a lot of dressing already, but where are we going to dress to? Nowhere. And please let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite and which one is your least favorite of all the items I got. Okay, so let me stop talking and enjoy the video. Okay guys, as always, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a like, and also leave a comment down below on the comment section. All right guys, see you on my next video. Bye.